Why did Germany need colonies? After unification, Germany became industrially developed country. She needed additional raw materials and new markets to support the industrialization. Her colonies in Africa were not potentially strong in supplying raw materials. Write a note on Moroccan problem. France established a protectorate over Morocco in 1912. Britain recognized French occupation of Morocco. This was opposed by German King Kaiser William II. He wanted to declare Morocco an international colony. He sent two warships, Berlin and Panther, with an intention to threaten France. When Britain extended support to France, Germany withdrew her warships. What was the immediate cause of the First World War? The Congress of Berlin gave Austria-Hungary the right to govern Bosnia and Herzegovina, but not annex it. Serbia was interested in Bosnia as the two countries shared similar inhabitants. In 1908, Austria annexed Bosnia against the right of Berlin Congress. On June 28, 1914, Austrian Crown Prince Francis Ferdinand was assassinated by a Serbian lad. This event became the immediate cause for the First World War. Explain the war in the Eastern Front. On the Eastern Front, the Russian forces attacked Germany and Austria, but Germany defeated Russia at the Battle of Tannenberg. When Austria was facing a crisis, Germany extended support to Austria. German forces inflicted heavy loss on the Russian forces. Russia was forced to retreat from Australian territories. Write a short note on War of the Sea. The North Sea was controlled by the British in the south. The Mediterranean Sea was dominated by the French and Italian navy with the British support. Germany was equally strong on the western side. Two important battles were fought on the sea, the Battle of Dogger Bank and the Battle of Jutland. The British destroyed the German battle cruiser in the Battle of Dogger Bank. The Allies as well as the Central Power sustained heavy losses in the Battle of Jutland in 1916. German Navy could not break the naval blockade of Britain. Its navy retreated to German ports. Later, Germany used submarines to sink the ship of the Allied forces. Why did America enter into First World War? America was neutral during the first few years of the First World War. In 1917, Germany sunk four merchant ships of America, including Lusitania. More than 100 American civilians lost their lives. America became angry. Woodrow Wilson, the American president, declared war on Germany on April 6, 1917.